The NovaChat by PRC Saltillo has many robust vocabulary files that allow you to express yourself and say anything you want to say. But what happens when you don't know where a specific word is within your vocabulary file? With Word Finder, you can search for any word and discover the pathway for how to get to that word within your vocabulary file. To do so, first navigate to the keyboard page within your vocabulary. Spell the word you want to find directly on the keyboard page. In this example, we will look for the word dog. Once you are done spelling your word, select Find Word in the bottom row. If the word is in your vocabulary file, you will see the button sequence displayed in the speech display bar. If it's located in more than one spot, it will flip through those possible sequences as well. Most sequences are only a few button hits, and you'll be able to go to your vocabulary file and find them. Another way you can find words is by going to the menu, then selecting Word Finder. This brings up a new screen for you to type in the word you are looking for. The sequences will show up below the search bar. Selecting Guide Me to the right of the sequence will guide you through how to get to the word. Select the highlighted icons to locate the word you're trying to find. All other icons in the vocabulary will be grayed out to draw attention to the pathway you selected. As you become more familiar with the vocabulary on the device, you may find there are faster ways to get to the same word. Now that you know how to use Word Finder, keep practicing and modeling to learn your vocabulary.